Hi everyone, I'm Angad. I'm chef at Prankster. So we have a product here called OMG. So this is a remedy to all the drinks where sugarcane juice is used. Most of the problem bartender face nowadays is that sugarcane juice turns black after oxidization, but this particular product is actually a remedy for that thing. So I'm gonna do a cocktail with this and a mocktail too. So first I'll be doing cocktail. Now the name of the cocktail is Body and Soul. So I have a old-fashioned glass. I'll be adding some ice to it. We'll give it a swirl just to chill it a little bit. And gonna remove the ice. So now I have some fresh made cocoa syrup, which is morning again, some Grenadine Syrup, fresh lemon juice. Juice which I'll be using right now is the lemon flavored OMG. First thing I'll be doing is crushing some ice. We'll be adding some ice. So I've got some Bacardi Rum, 60 ml Bacardi Rum, 30 ml Coco Syrup, 30 ml lemon juice. Okay, now is the time we'll add some OMG, which is 30 ml. We'll make it 45. We'll be adding some more crushed ice. I'll be adding some fresh mint. This is just to release some oils from mint. We'll be adding some more ice. And we'll be topping it up with some Grenadine Syrup. Body and Soul is ready. Give it a try.